Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. Alright guys, this is a view from the rooftop bar at the hotel. Alright guys, this is a view from the hotel, 25th floor where I'm staying at. You can come right here and see the whole city. Alright, I'm about to have a couple drinks. And I was about to say, why the fuck does it look so dark in here? And I realized I had shades on. That's just a coon in me. Well, I guess I better treat myself. Let me order me a double Jameson for 2,200 yen. That seems pretty fancy. Can I order a double Jameson, please? One double Jameson, whiskey, ice. Mm-hmm.
Double.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, with ice?
Yes, little ice.
Little ice.
Yes, unless you have a rock. You have a big rock?
Rock type.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. And you can bring the check. I'm just having one drink. Okay, thank you. All right, guys. It's your boy Beau Rakes. I'm just having one double Jameson. The restaurant opened at 5. It's like 5:45. I'm tired of the slave. Been traveling all day. Finna have a whiskey, then your boy going to sleep, man. Your boy going to sleep, man. Hey, man. Say, man. I'm tired, man. It's a pretty fancy place, man. Hey, man. Say, man. Catch y'all on the next one, man. James double, she said. Okay. Well, guys, this is a fancy restaurant. To you guys, the debauchery, the fuckery. Salute. The view is crazy. Thank you much. All right, guys, it's about 45 degrees here, and I found me a pho place. Guys, I done had my whiskey. I done had a couple other pieces of food here. I done found some pho, so I'm about to roll into a spot called Pho Thin and hit up this pho spot. All right, Pho Thin Tokyo, let's do it. All right, so you gotta pay this little machine. You order your pho here, you pay this machine. So clearly I can't read Japanese. So ma'am, oh. So do I give it to you? Okay. Okay. All right, so you order your pho here, get your change. This change add up, because clearly, okay, thank you. All right, so you order from up there, you come back here, you get your number. Shit. Oh, thank you. 45 degrees in Tokyo, you need some fur.